I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and disabling power to avoid sudden airbag or electronics issues. First, inspect how the mount attaches: suction, adhesive pad, or screw. Once identified, use a plastic trim pry to lift a corner of the suction or adhesive, or remove visible screws with the correct driver. If adhesive, warm the area briefly with a hair dryer to soften glue. Make sure to work slowly to avoid cracking the dashboard surface or scratch the finish. Once the attachment is loosened, apply steady, moderate heat to the adhesive area and keep your hand pressure controlled. Then slide a thin plastic card or pry tool around the perimeter to separate the mount without gouging the dash. If the mount uses screws, back them out evenly to prevent stress. Place each screw in a labeled container. For suction cups, press center, then lift edge while pulling release tab if present. Make sure to pause and reassess if resistance feels abnormal to prevent damage. Finish by removing any leftover adhesive with isopropyl alcohol or a manufacturer-safe adhesive remover, applying gently with a microfiber cloth to avoid haze. Once cleaned, polish the area with a mild dashboard cleaner to restore appearance and protect the surface. If the mount remains stuck, return to moderate heat for longer and work patiently around the edges. Never use metal tools. If a crack or chip appears, seal or consult a professional. Make sure to test any replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.